Hello and welcome. Here is a bit of shocking news I'm going to share with you. Hundreds of vials of deadly viruses gone missing in Australia, Queensland Virology Laboratory. So, this is really surprising and shocking. Usually, the virus labs will be under high security, and not normal ordinary citizens cannot really visit or enter the laboratory. Yet the 300 more than 300 vials of very deadly viruses are missing from the Australian laboratory, and they have started investigations in this regard. So only after the completion of investigation only we will be able to say something about how they missed it. So first we will see which are the viruses they have gone missing. So first one is Hendra virus, Hanta virus, and lassa virus. Now let's check out the characters of these viruses. So the first one is Hendra virus, which is basically affecting horses, but of course it can affect human beings also. And they have characters similar with the Nipah virus. You might have heard in Kerala there was a Nipah outbreak. So this virus basically in from the bats will spread to horses and then to humans. So they show symptoms of respiratory severities, diseases, and sometimes they can affect the brain also. The next virus is Hanta virus, which is basically affecting rats, and from rats it can directly spread to humans. So the rats are very familiar in the human premises. So this is also causing respiratory, breath related, and lungs related pneumonia like symptoms, and this is also causing death and under severe conditions. And this is lassa virus, which shows similar symptoms of the rabies, the dog bite. So it affects animals like dogs and all, and it's also originating from the bats, but can cause severe symptoms like the dog bite and cause death. So it is quite surprising that how these highly dangerous viruses, and they are not missing one or two vials, they are missing 323 vials. That is the Hendra virus, nearly 100 vials are missing, and for Hanta virus 2 vials, and lassa virus 223 vials. So this is not a simple security breach. So now the thing is, when such viruses escape into the common public, or suppose if they escape into the common public, what we can do to resist ourselves from catching these deadly viruses. So by educating ourselves we can stay restrained from getting these viruses and spread, and we can prevent spreading of these viruses, and we can prevent the next pandemics. So first thing is always use a mask. Mask will protect you from all kinds of respiratory viruses entering into your nasal and mouth tracts. And then second is always keep your hands safe by using soap or sanitizer, because you may be constantly traveling in the bus and railways, so trains, so when you touch these surfaces you can sometimes catch this infection through your hand. Then you will do this, you will do like this and this, which will easily make the virus to transfer into your body. And another thing is always use boiled water. Means any virus cannot survive after 40 degrees centigrades of temperature, and that's why we can, when the boiled water is taken or when the cooked food is taken, we are comparatively safer from catching the infection. So thank you for watching. Share this information.